Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets closed slightly in red, but not much. We can say it's a flat with some kind of a negative bias. But day before yesterday, it was trading with a positive bias. Right now, the US futures are slightly higher, but Asian markets are reacting to US markets action yesterday. Asian markets are down. As I told you yesterday evening, I was trying to search for the reason. I think the reason is only US-Iran tension only. Number one, yesterday the Trump announced that and he might or he might not attack Iran in the next 10 days. So that probably is indicating that, it may not be this weekend, it may be next weekend. Usually, this kind of wars happens on Friday night or Saturday early morning, so that, in 2 days they can finish it off, so that the global financial markets, will have some kind of a, sanity returning on Monday morning. There will be no knee-jerk reaction in financial markets. So, at the same time, you attack an enemy when he is expecting you to attack least. That means you have to attack somebody when he is not expecting you to attack him. So, who knows? So, this Saturday early morning or Friday night, the Iran may be expecting the US to attack, so they will be even more alert. And then probably, who knows, Trump can do this sometime during the next week working day also. So, but our market reaction seems to be a bit on the higher side compared to other markets. So, other markets did not react so violently for this news. And here, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, TCS, Infosys, just name anything, ITC, Industry Unilever, all the industry leaders have reacted too much negatively. So anyway, number one, it is time to be very, very cautious. If there is any rally today or intraday recovery, number one, so if you are in profit, exit the positions. And number two, if you want to hold the position, make sure that your positions are completely hedged, so that the maximum loss is just limited. Of course, you want to buy the hedges today, it will be very, very, very expensive. And yesterday, the prices were like shooting up like anything. Even 25,000 put doubled, and forget about 25,000. Look at 24,000. Yesterday, the Nifty closed around 25,400, and 24,000, that's about 1,500 point away. We have only 3 trading sessions. And that 24,000 put is trading around 7 rupees. So the premiums are really too high. But, no matter how much the premiums are high, so it is better to have the hedges. So in case if there is any war, market falls drastically, so you will be safe. And if there is some recovery, intraday recovery, so what one can do, can sell some call options and far away, and use that money to buy the put option. But of course, you cannot, even the 25,000 put, if you want to buy it, is trading around 25 rupees. But the same 25 rupees on the call side, you will get it. I think 26,000 call is trading around 22, 23, I think. Yeah. So, if there is any recovery, the call prices will be higher, put prices will be lower. So at least, you have some hedges. So that's a very, very important thing. And you may remember, I do not know if the times are bad and only on expiry date things will happen. So if you can remember, 24th February 2022, this Russia-Ukraine war broke out on an expiry day. Then US trade deal happened on an expiry day. So that expiry day, there's a huge gap up or a huge gap down, 1,000 point, 2,000 point, so now, right now the news is that, the talk of a war. So either there is going to be war or going to be no war. If no war, it doesn't mean that markets will rally. Even if it rally maybe another 100, 200 or 300 or maximum 400 points. But if in case of a war, the markets can fall 1,000 point, 2,000 point also. There's a possibility. So, on a bad day, just like STT increase, you may remember we went up to 24,600. So that possibility is very, very high. So, many times people ask me, sir, what has happened on Russia-Ukraine war, Lehman Brothers collapse or coronavirus, how did you manage your positions, but these things, they don't come without informing you. Right? So you get a lot of indications, but sometimes we don't take it seriously. So the same way this US-Iran war, the news is there already. So if like there is a war and then tomorrow there's a big gap down, instead of asking how will you manage your positions, so because you know that it is likely to happen, safeguard yourself. And then, you safeguard yourself, buy some put options, and then, if there is no war, you may lose some money, but it doesn't matter, right? That small money you pay for the premium for hedges, that you can recover, next 1 or 2 months time, next 1 or 2 trades. But one black swan event can wipe out a major part of your capital. So, therefore, definitely this is time to hedge your positions. And then, because, our market is, likely to react more because our stock market is more fragile compared to the world markets. The world markets are resilient. So yesterday morning, even after this war news, South Korea hit a fresh all-time high. Japan hit fresh all-time high. In fact, even right now, the US futures are trading in positive. But our market is very, very fragile, because, like another 5,000 crore selling by FII and Nifty can fall easily another 1 or 2%. That possibility is there very high. So it is time to be safe, not sorry. So that is a strategy now. Otherwise, there is nothing much to discuss today. So there is a possibility of at least 100 point recovery because, yesterday our market is oversold and because FIAs, they did not sell as much as they were expected to sell. On a bad day like yesterday, when Nifty fell 2% from intraday high to low, FIAs were sellers for less than 1,000 crore. So who knows, there might be a kind of small short covering, but then use that opportunity to buy the hedges. So that is how we have to position ourselves. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.